ragtime swell. Out around the patio we'd sit, and the humidity we'd breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields and laugh and think, this is Australia. The block is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals and sloping.